That was better.
4, 5 was clear. 4, 6, 7.
Clear right.
Clear left.
Yeah, clear.
Is this 5 or 6?
I think this is 6.
This is 5.
5?
5. There's no
This is 5.
slope down.
Stairs are here.
4 or 5. 4 or 5.
Alright, well, we should go back with the scientists since everybody's up. Alright, well, we should go back with the scientists since everybody's up here.
What's all the people at? I'm trying to get busy.
It should be up behind. Because we got teammates above, I don't want to have to fight up, you know what I mean?
Right.
Do we have anybody with comms above us?
Yeah, we should.
Okay. Then we should be fine. We can
Ian,
communicate.
what's your 20?
I don't see anything.
Iku?
Yeah. Green?
Good copy.
Where are you?
We're going to 3. Where are you?
Down to third floor.
What team are you?
That's hand. Where's the scientist here?
What?
These guys, video! 4, 5, and 6 feet right. You may have contact force.
Is that friendly or not?
Contact on 4.
I got it. Push. I got him fucking pinned.
You went left to right at the end. Left to right.
Contact, contact.
Green. Rumble, rumble.
We got a squad moving up slow. There's 10 all the way down. My squad's in between them. And they don't know we're here yet.
Yeah, don't go too far because they can't volley back up.
See anything? I don't see anything.
There's enemies above. Friendlies in here. All hands in here. And all the way down low.
That man coming out?
Whoa!
Take up my slot. Take up my slot. Where am I bringing you? Come on. Green coming up. Green coming up. I got a dead man here. Could you take him where he needs to go? I gotta go back down there. I have to hold it.
Oh yeah, whatever.
Good shot.
in the door and on the floor below. Watch out, watch out. Watch that, get behind you, watch the door. Our guy has this one. Because if you can get it in that room, he's like in the room. Yeah, across the hall. You can toss it in. It goes across and then it goes the hallway down to the right.
You gotta get down there.
I
got you, bro. Let me know when you're up. Alright, ready? Sorry.
That's your toe, bro.
Alright, thanks, brother.
Were you guys on the stairwell when those 2 grenades went off?
Yeah, we were.
Yeah, we were like, right here, we ran right up around the corner.
We ran all the way upstairs to get away from it.
Good shit, thank you, bro.
I don't know if we have any more. You do? You want to toss it? Where we go?
What's going on? Top floor or bottom floor shit?
Both top.
Both?
Especially top.
Yeah.
We have the CCP flag. We're trying to get to the 6th floor. We got guys way up, but we got Tanny between them. Yeah, let them go.
Hold on. Do you guys know what's going on the 6th floor? We still have that sign?
Yeah, we have it. We have 2 scientists.
But there's guys in
up there.
between.
They're asking to speak with
You
me.
gotta get up there?
Yeah, they're asking to speak
Well,
with
I
me.
know. I'm telling you,
There's guys in between. We gotta push through them.
Scientists are asking to speak with me up on the 6th floor. Listen,
I got Fred. Okay, listen, hold on. Right above us. I know, I just told him. He made it seem like that fucking cut next to the door.
Okay.
So we need to get that door, just get him away from the door for like 30 seconds.
Up here.
We gotta keep going.
Okay. Alright, well, I'll frag everyone push.
Alright, do you hear that? I was like, I don't understand.
But we need bodies to kind of get me into the...
Hand on the floor, hand on the floor. Go. Push up, get in. Push up as far as you can and dig in. Step.
There's a dead guy right there, careful.
Go.
Give me another grenade.
We need another frag! Send it in this fucking doorway!
Go in there.
Send it right in there, Darkstone!
Get one of them, get in there. Go. Push up as far as you can, dig in. Stack up.
There's a dead guy right there, careful.
Go. We need another frag!
Get me up here.
We need another frag! Send it in this fucking doorway! Go in there! Send it right in there, Carlo!
Dude, go!
Go! Get that fucking gun out of there! Get out of the way! Go upstairs! Get the fucking doorway! Get the fuck up the stairs right now!
Get him up the stairs!
Get the fuck up the stairs! Get him up the fucking stairs! Get him up the fucking stairs now! Right, left! Go!
Sick video.
Throw it, fall that shit.
got a lot of frags. What? I got one.
This is fucking cool. Throw the tumble!
That's good enough. That's good enough.
Alright. We got the staircase over here to the scientist.
Right there.
Command?
Yes.
Yep, yes sir. Up those stairs. Yeah, it's rich. Alright, sir.
Where's Derek, right?
We had it here, right?
Yeah, no one else out there. Hey, where are you going?
Okay, let's get that. Let's get our command guy up here. I can't go up there?
Just the command. We need the CO. He's only looking. Where'd he go?